Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, as you may know, I am one to find hidden features on videos, and with the help of these gentlemen here at Samsung, we have really uncovered a cool feature on this one. And that is this little button right here allows you to preview on the other side of the phone. So a lot of people are wondering, oh, well, it doesn't have a full screen on the front, but you still can use the camera even when closed, and you can get a preview of what you're shooting. So even if we close this up right now, you can double click the power button, and then you can take a photo with the click right here, and you can even switch between the two cameras to get the wider angle one. That is a really cool feature, and one that I definitely think that is going to make this phone a very interesting way of taking photos, and one that'll stand out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.